All right, canopy's coming down. Canopy's secured and latched. Clear.
Alright, so the first thing I have to do is do a strap check. Make sure you're in there nice and tight. You ready? Here we go.
Woohoo! Oh yeah!
Alright, man, thumbs up for the camera. Woohoo! Looks like you're in there pretty good, not falling out. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do are the aileron rolls. Very simple maneuver. So you just start with the stick in the middle, push it on over,
Oh yeah!
and then back to the middle when you're done.
Nice.
Alright, man, you've got the controls. Let's see a good roll. Look at that, you're natural. Nice. Alright, you've got the controls. Let's see that loop. Nice. Now ease off the pole. There you go. Just relax it over the top. Let it float. Now pull, nice and gentle. Let it build some speed, and then pull, pull, pull. Oh yeah. Pull straight back towards you. Perfect. Right there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Now left pedal, left pedal, left pedal. Nice. Bring it straight back down to the ground. Let it build some speed, and pull. Woo-hoo. Here we go.
Oh, nice.
That's all she wrote.